Today, we are comparing the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra with a surprisingly cheap clone called the S25 Ultra Max, priced at only $96 United States dollars. This phone looks almost identical to the original model, but the real question is, does it deliver? Let's find out whether this budget copy is worth buying. Or no, the company behind the clone claims, designed in India, and promotes Make in India branding. Their website displays many copied smartphone designs and even fake premium models. But the real test is whether this phone performs well in real usage. Inside the box, you actually get more accessories than Samsung: case, charger, cable, and even a fake S Pen. The design looks almost identical, especially the camera layout and back finish. But the moment you touch it, the plastic build becomes obvious. This clone offers 4 GB RAM, 128 GB storage, a basic SC9863A processor, and only HD 60Hz display. There is no fingerprint sensor, and the UI is extremely basic with heavy lag. Performance feels slow even during normal scrolling. Although the design copies Samsung perfectly, most of the features are fake, including 3 out of 4 rear cameras. You only get one real 32MP camera, and the photo quality is below average for the price. Even the speaker quality and software experience feel outdated. For around $96 United States dollars, you can buy far better phones, like Poco M7 5G, Samsung M06, or Lava Blaze series. These offer 5G, better processors, and good reliability, not fake marketing. So the S25 Ultra Max clone is not worth buying, despite looking premium. So in conclusion, the S25 Ultra Max may look like the original flagship, but it fails in performance, camera, and build quality. Avoid this phone and invest in a reliable budget model instead. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews.